Royal purple hue makes this orchid appear majestic, and its scent in fresh 12 is delicate and soft. The scented oil of this composition truly needs to be experienced over time, as it matures. In this harmonious blend of orchid scents, therapeutic orchids are included, enhancing the overall fragrance with their calming and medicinal effects. Did you know that this therapeutic orchid can survive at a temperature down to -50 Celsius? What tenacity! Makes one wonder if its resilient lifespan contributes to its neuroprotective effects as well. Following next is this powerful orchid. It helps enrich the blood and is used to treat tuberculosis. Its effectiveness also extends to treating sores and ulcers and abdominal pains. Other additional fragrances such as celery and peppermint are also added to add a more revitalizing boost to the fragrance. Fresh, spicy with hints of pepper. This is what celery adds to the fragrance composition. A powerful essence that carries antibacterial properties and acts as an effective insect repellent. What's better is that this oil is mild and great for people with sensitive skin. Peppermint, an invigorating and stimulating fragrance. Many would describe it as cool, sharp, and refreshing. Traditionally used as a medicinal herb, mostly in order to treat stomach ache and nausea, this is also a great scent to lift spirits, relieve fatigue, and minor headaches. Many people suffering from blocked noses may have used this fragrance as a simple and convenient solution as well. Resembling the smell of fresh morning air with spicy nuances, this is a scent that emphasizes a desire to have a laid-back yet revitalizing start to a new day.